Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. Have you ever dreamed of showcasing your Power BI dashboards on your digital signage screens effortlessly, securely, and in just a few clicks? With Elementi's Power BI widget, you can bring live business data to your screen, seamlessly blending analytics with design. No external developers or consultants needed. For this demo, I'm using a test dashboard. It's full of dynamic charts and even an interactive map, perfect to bring your data to life. To display this dashboard, all I have to do is go to the SpinetiX Hub. SpinetiX Hub is the central command center where everything connects, from accessing ARIA and managing players or licenses to linking with different connectors. In this case, I'll go to the integration section to connect to Power BI, where I can sign into my account in just a few seconds. Next, open Elementi, create a new project, and in the Widgets tab, you'll find the Power BI widget in the Analytics folder. Drag it into your workspace. Double-click and hit the small connection icon. From there, select your Power BI account and choose the dashboard or report you want to display. Here, I'll select mine. I click on Test, the URL appears, which means everything's connected perfectly. With just one click on OK, my Power BI dashboard comes alive on Elementi. Now I can easily publish my project either directly to the player or to SpinetiX ARIA. And on top of that, with a touchscreen, users can easily navigate through Power BI dashboards with full interactivity. I can now display my dashboard to one screen or 1,000 screens, and even combine it with other elements like weather, news, or branding to create rich compositions. Whether you're in retail, manufacturing, or a corporate environment, it's the perfect way to bring your insights to life. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.